Good morning everyone, it's Fiona from Yellow Brick Road St Mary's and it's Mortgage Monday. Now today I'm going to discuss whether or not you should sell your home, renovate or knock it down. I've had a couple of conversations in the last week with some clients inquiring about these very things. So your family's growing, what do? Do you move out? Do you sell? Do you stay where you are? The first thing you need to do is, if you want to sell, you need to think about the fees associated with selling. Most of all, stamp duty. It is not a pretty fee and it can cost you 40 to 50 grand just for stamp duty alone. Remember, you also have the agency fees, the real estate agency fees to sell your property as well. All right, and the government charges, of course. Second of all, you may consider knocking your house down. Now, the main reason people like to knock down rebuild is because they love where they live. It's central to your life, to the schools, to work, everything, and you want to stay there, which is fair enough. One thing you need to think about when you want to knock down and rebuild is your current mortgage. I mean, if your mortgage is already $400,000 and you want to build, minimum is going to be about $400,000. That means your loan is going to be 800 grand. You're going to need to make sure that your property is worth at least 1.1, 1.2. Like, it's going to have to be quite a valuable house in the long run, and it's going to be a very big debt. So you'll need to do your calculations. Lastly, renovate. Now, if you're looking at renovating your house, even building a floor, you don't want to move, you love where you live, you don't want to knock down because you don't want to have that $400,000 mortgage on top, then you renovate. Now, the thing about renovating is you need to think about where you live. Now, are the houses in your area around the price that you want your house to be worth in the end? If the value of the house prices in your area are around 600 and then you're going to spend an extra 200 grand on your property, you may not get the full value because they look at all the houses in the area as well. So that's something to consider. All right. So you want the value of your house to be a reflection of how much you paid and how much it's worth. So first of all, do you sell it? If you choose to sell it, you need to think about all those fees. All right. Second of all, if you want to knock it down, that's great. You also need to think about the size of your mortgage once you've completed it. And lastly, if you want to renovate, you need to research the houses in the area and see what they're going for. All right. Now, that's why mortgage brokers are great, because you come to us and we will do the calculations with you and we'll tell you what works and what doesn't work. All right. If you'd like any further information on anything I've provided today, feel free to leave a message in the comments box and have a great week.